my name's Alex and I'm going to show you how to change proportions in Photoshop. So I'm going to draw my shape. Now I want to transform it. So what I'm going to do is you can select Command T or Control, whichever type of computer you're using. And then it'll basically bring up some options to change the size of your shape here. But it's not just changing the size, because what we're doing is changing the proportion. So you want to right click and you can select Distort. And Distort will actually allow you to pull your edges around and kind of mess around with how the shape is. You can turn it into a trapezoid, you can turn it into a square, etc. And then you can pretty much have a whole new shape from that. My name is Alex, and this is how you change proportions in Photoshop. Thank you.